Hit machine.
Sixth release I am set for, obviously. But like I said before when we were talking, it's not only how much money these films make, it's how much people genuinely love these films. And that's the attempt to every film. I hope so, because I think after Main Tera Hero, I'm again getting into the comedy zone. Obviously there is a lot of emotion and drama also in this film. But primarily I signed this film because of the type of comedy I get to do and the emotional connect I have with my brother and stuff. But especially after Main Tera Hero, if I've got an opportunity to do that mainstream comedy what we talk about, which is missing in today's films, it's in Dilwale. And it's like full on.
And I need to add that I think it's very, very difficult to do comedy. Very difficult to make people laugh at actually what you're doing instead of laughing at you. And I think among the younger generation actors, I don't think anyone else can do what he does.
But but very honestly, I don't think it's not what I can do. I've technically even worked with two directors who are the babs in this genre.
Your dad?
One is
show kuch to aur hoga wahan se.
100, no, full. I give him full credit. My dad and even Rohit sir, I mean, considering the 3 gold marks, all the best, and look at his track record in comedy.
But not everyone can attempt a Govinda style. I think there are very few people who will look good doing that. I think he looks good doing that. No, I've been telling him throughout.
But she would get scared, I think, initially. You ऐसा ही है character के लिए ऐसा. Then she started saying to ऐसा ही है. She started feeling that this is how you are in real life.
Not feeling he is like that. I think Veer is a little more cracked than what he is in real life. But there's a lot of him in it. I was obviously very excited. Firstly, there was no audition, nothing, no one meeting, and it was done. So I would like to believe that Rohit sir ने already अपने दिमाग में सोच लिया था. But yeah, it was very exciting for me because firstly Shah Rukh, Kajol, I've grown up watching their films, and for me it was like, oh my god, I'm going to get a chance to work with them in my second film and being directed by Rohit Shetty. And of course I was excited to work with him also because I really feel that he's a very good actor. And this film also has like a package of so many experienced and talented actors. Who even if you see them performing live in front of you, it's a learning experience.
Yeah.
So for me, it was like, if I'm getting such a big opportunity as my second film, I mean, we keep saying this, that I don't think we'll get an opportunity like this again ever.
So first when I got a call, so Yunis Bhai, who's his writer, I know him very well. He's written a lot of my dad's films also. So he said, and his voice is very sweet. एक बार तो ऐसा है तो आ जा ऑफिस में अपन के बाद हम लोग आपस में बस सुन के देख लेते हैं किसी को बोलना. So I went and told my brother. I said, "Bhaiya, this is a scene." And my brother, like me, also is a very big Rohit Shetty fan. Like we have Golmaal 3's DVD which we watch at night while having dinner and all sometimes. So I said, "Go hear it first. Don't tell anyone. Even Rohit." So I didn't tell Karan or I didn't tell my dad. I didn't tell anyone. These are the 2 people I usually tell. So I went and all that. I made up my mind, the last person I'm going to tell about this is my father. I'm going to tell him first. So I went, I heard the story, I loved it. From there straight away I went to Karan's house. And Karan is known from day one how big a fan I am of Rohit Shetty. And he and Rohit sir are supposed to do a film after this anyway. Which I was like praying that le lo. And he would, in fun he would be like, why should I take you? You know how Karan is. Yeah. What are you doing? What will you do? You have to do so much business, you have to become a big star, then Rohit will consider you. So I told him, Karan, see now I got the film. I got it outside. So Karan, being Karan, was like, obviously do it and all that stuff. It's a huge opportunity for you. But be sure you can pull it off. And I was like, it's my zone, I feel. So he said, okay, you go ahead. Then when I came home, I told my dad. Then the poor Yunis Bhai who talked like that, like, David ji, his voice and his feeling was, he was not supposed to tell anyone. And then obviously, when I met Rohit sir, I think we all were a little intimidated by him initially because of his presence and all, and how he talks.
Also, he's a little shy, he doesn't talk too much, he doesn't open up very easily.
No, but when I went, I came and said, sir, मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि मतलब मेरे बाल ऐसे होने चाहिए, कपड़े में भी first meeting में बोल दिया. I said, sir, I heard the character and then okay, why don't I call you? I thought you shouldn't recast me or something. I left. Then
I think I call you.
I left them, but I have to say Rohit Shetty is probably one of the best human beings I've worked with. You know, I
He's
regard
very sweet, yeah.
three. I've been blessed that all the directors I've worked with I've loved. Even Remo, I think, has so much love from the industry. Same way Rohit Shetty within his team, they like can give their life for it, and there's a reason why. He stands by his team. मतलब smallest से smallest आदमी होगा, किसी के सामने भी खड़े होना है, रोहित शेट्टी खड़ा हो जाएगा. I feel his stardom also I felt little bit. He has an aura as a director. Normally directors don't look or behave like that. Yeah, he's running on set. He has a walkie-talkie in his hand. He's very smooth. Yeah.
He's doing all his skits on his
He's
own.
very smooth. He's not a. He's a very fit director. He has a personality. Like Sabir in that show has fallen down and broken his leg.
Yeah.
Rohit sir के साथ ये नहीं होगा. He's a very.
Rohit sir will fall down and get up.
वो उड़ जाएगा. I'm just saying that Rohit sir का वो एक aura है, you know, कि वो हीरो से बेहतर कर देते हैं कभी एक्शन सीन. तो प्रॉब्लम वो है.
वही करते हैं.
वही करते हैं.
वही करते हैं. Body doubles जो होते हैं.
वॉक करना है, एटीट्यूड क्या लेके आना है, मतलब किक विक कुछ भी कर लेते हैं. So I think that initially I was like, you know that मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, डायरेक्टर कर लेगा, मेरे को तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
नहीं, और also I think he is also not worked with like newer actors. He's working like really experienced actors.
He would call us बच्चा party.
So, he is called One More Dhawan on set.
One More Dhawan is not a question.
Yes.
That's a take.
No, one more, sir, one more.
I like
every
good
time.
takes,
No,
but that's a take,
and
not a
half the time
question.
he's not even rolled the camera because he's
But
asking
that's a
only that I
take.
don't want it. I'll roll the camera इसको करने.
But that's a take. Action!
What's scared?
Humongous film, like one of the biggest films being made in this country, because I was in a car, there was a GoPro here, there was a camera here, there was a camera here, there was a tele camera over there, there was 2-3 those helicams in the air. I was like, some 10 कैमरा थे हर जगह. तो मैं ऐसे अकेले इधर बैठ के गाड़ी में, और चूचा मेरे सामने रोहित शर्मा जो पसीने निकल गए. भाई ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? क्या हो रहा है? हमसे होगा ही नहीं होगा. ऐसे चुप कर यार.
उसने तो कुछ करना भी नहीं था, उसने बैठना था.
It was just the beginning, the first day was like.
Firstly, I was very glad that I had met him a lot of times before we started shooting, because otherwise I would have been very, very nervous. I was still nervous. I remember वो जो हमने, I think towards the end, रोहित sir was like कि कल करते हैं, अब हम वापस से आज नहीं करते हैं. Because there was a little bit of confusion also on how the scene should be done and stuff. But thankfully, I had met him so many times that I had become on that friendly level with him, so I could say anything. I was not intimidated by him. Actually, you cannot be intimidated by him. He makes you a friend in like 5 seconds. So it went well, and I was supposed to shout at him. So first scene that I'm doing, I'm supposed to shout at him and go like that and get on him and stuff.
Like quite badly, she has to put him in his place.
Yeah, I have to like really shout at him and point a finger and get into almost in his nose and all. So I was feeling a little awkward कि यार शाहरुख खान है सामने है.
It was quite funny, I think, from her point of view, because I mean I was also in the scene, but I'll tell you
He's
what,
supposed to be scared.
I have to be scared. मतलब ठीक है चलो. So but seeing her as a viewer, मतलब ज़्यादा डांटेगी तो ऐसा लगेगा कि शाहरुख खान को इतना डांट दिया. कम डांटेगी तो बोलेगा कैरेक्टर में नहीं है लड़की, तो ये क्या फिर to find.
मैं actually शाहरुख से तो मुझे बोल रहे थे कि तू और चढ़ जा, आगे आ जा.
अरे मैं इतना कैसे चढ़ूँगा? बाहर दूँ क्या, मैं क्या करूँ?
No, but actually then Rohit sir and Yunis bhai spoke to me and they said मैं I think जोश में और ज़्यादा चढ़ रही थी, because वो भी मुझे बोल रहे थे चढ़ जा, तो मैं चढ़ रही थी.
Last take में तो मतलब मारने तक आ गया. Maybe she.
Kriti could have saturating. He's gone into his Varun Dhawan.
Kriti could have raised her hand in the last.
No, and then Rohit sir told me that you know your character will not go to that extent. तो ठीक है डांट ले, but अभी don't get on him and stuff. So I said okay. Then I think second day it went fine. I was quiet. मतलब I talk a lot on set. Otherwise, you can hear me when you're on set. She's a little guarded. Like you know, she doesn't warm up to you that easily. She takes a little time. मतलब she's really strong when it comes to acting and everything. And it was a serious scene. It was an intense scene. So Rohit sir came to my vanity before, and I was getting my makeup hair done. And he's like 1 minute के लिए अकेला छोड़ दो. He sat with me and he's like कि डरना नहीं है. तू जो कर रही है सही कर रही है. मत सोचना कि सामने काजोल खड़ी है, बस कर देना. So I said okay fine. He's like डरना नहीं है, you're doing it well, so just be confident about yourself.
I don't know what happened to her before the scene, right? But I've seen that scene, and it's actually one of her best.
She also really helped me. Like she started doing lines with me and all, and then she also told me कि you know if you say it like this, it will sound better. या फिर थोड़ा टोन अभी थोड़ा रिबेलियस हो रहा है, उसको थोड़ा सा कम कर दो. So I think all that really helped, and that's how the scene worked out well. They were laughing.
We were both laughing.
I think she was laughing at you.
She was laughing at me because she'd seen some parts of the film, and I mean, I can say this. I know she's very fond of me.
Very, she wants to adopt him.
She's very. I get along really well with her. The humor is concerned and everything like that. So we were actually doing a serious scene, but I actually felt I'm doing a scene with some friend. Like कोई दोस्त को बहुत सालों बाद मिलते हो ना, and you're supposed to do something. So I was actually happy because she never once made me feel like I'm junior in the scene. Like I'm the junior actor in the scene, or I have to play it like that because that's Kajal. It was like me and she kind of ganged up on Kriti a little bit in that scene, and we laughed a lot and maybe I don't know if she did that purposely or she did, but she just made me very free in that scene.
But we had a lot of fun.
Like we were fooling, making fun of each other's takes, this thing, having fun. Then eventually Kriti also, who was supposed to cry, has laughed also with us. Rohit sir has laughed from behind the camera by the end. He also gave up. He also started laughing.
Rohit sir was like, "Abhi 20 minutes बाद ही होगा take, अभी नहीं हो पाएगा." Because for 20 minutes then she keeps laughing, and I don't think he laughed so much during an emotional scene.
This was really, and I think that just shows the brilliance of Kajal. That there's no like some actors in serious scene है तो.
She's very
दिमाग में कुछ भी चल रहा हो सकता है. You're thinking a song in your head, but you just pretend maybe people are there, whatever. But she's like that. How she feels, she behaves. Once action, then she cracks. Then she knows what to do, and she's in that zone, which is, I think, an amazing quality.